everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the Curated bead box for October 2023 to share with you all today. In case you're not familiar, the Curated bead box is a monthly subscription of beads. Each box also contains a findings starter kit, which makes it really handy. You can make jewelry pretty much straight out of the box. All you would really need would be your basic jewelry tools. The findings starter kit alternates between silver and gold. The box is $20 a month, and that includes shipping. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up, so that would make your first box $13. This box is a good way to build up your stash of beads. You get a whole lot of beads for $20. They're glass beads. Sometimes they put a strand of some type of gemstone in here. I don't see one on this list here, so I don't guess they did this month, but sometimes they do. And sometimes there are some metal components in there, and like bead caps and spacers, and sometimes a focal and that kind of thing. It looks like the theme for this month is Seriously Sassy, so that sounds fun. And looking at this little banner up here, it being purple, it looks like it might be something that I'm really going to like. So I've broken the seal on the box, but I did not peek. So we're going to peek together, and then I'll try to organize everything and get it together and come back and show y'all everything. Try to do this without causing too much noise and crackling and things. Oh yeah, I see some pretty purple beads in there. I think I'm really going to like this. So hold on, let me get everything organized and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to start with the findings kit. These are the stringing materials that are in here. It's silver this month, obviously. We have some bead stringing wire, some memory wire, and some elastic. And this is, I like their elastic. It's nice and thick. I like the thick elastic because I am paranoid when I make stretch bracelets that they're going to break. Never had one break, but I'm just always paranoid that they will. And then we have some head pins and some crimp beads and some jump rings. These are really good jump rings. I really like their jump rings. They're nice and thick, but they're not too thick. You can get them through most any chain. I really like their jump rings. And then there's some ear wires and some lobster clasps. So like I said, that makes it really handy. You can pretty much make a piece of jewelry straight out of the box. All you'd need would be your basic jewelry tools. I was also going to mention, it says on here, bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. So sometimes if they run out of a particular strand of bead, they would substitute it, usually just for a different size. Like if they say a 10mm bead, you might get that same color but in an 8mm. That kind of thing is what I've always noticed. So hold on, I'll get the strands of beads. Okay, it looks like the first strand here are 10mm purple spot marble style glass beads, and it's a 6-inch string. And these are just really pretty design in there. Of course, y'all know I love purple, so I always enjoy purple. It's a favorite color, probably my most favorite color. Those are really pretty. And the next strand are 10mm purple crackle glass beads, an 8-inch string. And these are just beautiful. I know it's probably hard to see because the beads are dark, and it's probably hard to see the crackle effect on the camera there, but it's in there. You can see the crackle effect in there. And I always really love the crackle beads. These are just really pretty. And then the next one is an 8mm yellow marble style glass beads. And this is a 16-inch string, and that's a whole lot of beads. A 16-inch string of beads is a lot of beads. And these are just really nice. Yellow marble style glass beads. Go really well with those purples. Got a little kind of creamy in there with the yellow, sort of a yellow and cream color mix there. It's really nice. And then the next is an 8mm plum spot marble style glass bead, 10.5-inch string. Those are really nice. Really pretty. I like that design in there. Some really nice beads. And then next are 6mm dark turquoise crackle glass beads, 10.5-inch string. And again, I know these are kind of dark and it might be hard to see the crackle in there, but it's in there. Those are really pretty. Goes really well with these other pretty colors. It's a pretty colorful box this time. And then next are 6mm yellow glass pearl beads, a 16-inch string. And a 16-inch string of 6mm beads is a whole lot of beads. I mean, a 16-inch string of any size beads is a lot of beads, but 6mm for sure because they're smaller. And these are just really pretty yellow glass pearl beads. And they look nice. The holes look fine. Don't look rough or anything. They're just really pretty. And then next are 6mm turquoise marble style glass beads, a 6-inch string. Again, that's a whole lot of beads. Turquoise marble style glass beads. They're all just kind of a little bit different. They've got little kind of different patterns in them there. They're not just plain turquoise. Got other little patterns in some of them there. Those are really nice. And then last in the strands is a 4mm purple glass pearl bead, a 16-inch string. And a 16-inch string of 4mm beads is really a lot of beads. And they're purple, which is why you can never have too many purple beads. Y'all know I'm always saying that. 4mm purple glass pearl bead. Those are really nice. They don't often include 4mm. A lot of times it's 6 and 8mm and 10mm and sometimes 12mm. But I like getting the 4mm. It's nice to have a smaller size too. So hold on, I'll get the other. This is all the strands. Hold on, I'll get everything else that's in the box. Okay, first in the other beads, there's a 1-ounce bag of 6O seed beads, turquoise opaque glass seed beads. And there's a whole lot of them. I'm having a time keeping them in this little tray here. These are not, I would not bead weave with these because they're not consistently shaped enough for that, but they're fine for stringing. And they go really well with these other beads in the box. And then next are 16 by 12mm sky blue pressed glass oval beads. And there's 6 of them. And these are really pretty. Let me see if I can find a eye pin to put them on. I thought I had one right here. Yeah, there we go. Usually I'll always have one right here close. A couple of them on here. So that's what those look like. They're transparent. You can see the pin through them there. Really pretty sky blue color. And then next are eight pieces of 14 by 10mm milky white pressed glass oval beads. Always nice to get a neutral color to go with all these other pretty bright colors. That's what those look like. Milky white pressed glass oval bead. Those are really nice. There's 8 of them. Don't know if I said that. I think I might have, but I don't know. And then next, I don't know, it says I've got 6mm silver metal bead cap, approximately 25 caps, and 6mm silver metal spacer beads, approximately 25 beads. But these both look like bead caps to me. So I don't know. I know some places call bead caps spacers, so that might be what they're meaning. These are the little 5-petal flower bead caps, or maybe not 5-petal, 5-pointed, I guess 5-pointed star bead caps are what those are, I guess. And then these are just, I don't know what you call these, but these are, that's what those look like. And then next are 6x4mm silver metal spacer beads, approximately 25 beads. Let's put some of these on my pen here. We can see where the hole is. The hole goes through them like that. That's different. I don't usually get this shape of spacer beads, or that the hole goes through the center of them there like that. That's really interesting. Kind of got a little X pattern on them there. It's really cool. And then last is a 26mm silver metal photo frame locket pendant. That's really nice. Just open it up like that. You could put a picture of your sweetheart in there and carry it around with you. That's really nice. I don't remember ever getting a photo frame locket before. It's really pretty. So hold on, let me see if I can get everything together on one picture, and I'll be back. Okay, there's our curated bead box for October 2023. I don't have the findings on in the picture here, but that's all the beads that were in the box. And it's called Seriously Sassy. There's some really pretty colors in here. I don't know if it's called Seriously Sassy because of the purples. That's probably what my husband would say, because he would say that I am quite often seriously sassy. So that's probably what he would say. Like I said, it's a good way to build up your stash. You get a whole lot of beads for $20. And that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, hope y'all have a great day. Take care.